Hi guys, welcome to yet another video. My beautiful name is Mary Chep. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make pancakes with simple ingredients in your home. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. We are in road to 1k subscribers guys. So let's get to the video.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur?
Hi guys, welcome to yet another video. Today we are going to prepare pancakes, and here we have some 250 ml of milk, 4 tablespoons of sieved flour, then some sugar, 1 egg, baking powder, and also we need some cooking oil. So first we'll start by mixing some ingredients. So let's get to the video. So first guys, we'll start by mixing our egg yolk. We put in a bowl that we are going to mix. This is the egg yolk. Let's put in the bowl that we are going to mix it. Since we are using 1 egg, then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So this is 1. And 2. Then we are going to mix the mixture with the whisker, with the mixture. Mix it properly. Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to guys, we are supposed to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, but anyways, we continue. We are going to add our milk. We are using 250 ml of milk. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So this is the first one. Then the second one. Then we are going to add our sieved flour 4 tablespoons of cooking flour. No, we are going to add our flour, the one we had. Then we are going to mix it with the mixer. Mix it properly. So these are 4 tablespoons of flour yenye nilikuwa nimechuchunga. So let's mix them properly. So we are going to mix our mixture properly. Going to stir with our mixer. So I was supposed to, so here in this our mixture we have put the yolk, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and it was supposed to be 1 table of sugar, but I've placed 2. So our mixture is like this. It's ready. So we are going to put it, mix it properly until the flour, you can't see the flour. So I think our mixture is ready. So we are going to put it aside. So in another bowl we are going to put the whitings of the eggs. We are going to whisk it with a spoon. After that we are going to mix together the first mixture and the second mixture. So we mix them together. So after mixing the whiting together, we mix the first mixture and the second mixture. The first mixture and the second mixture, we stir them together. So you see what it has formed. This is what it has formed. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. One spoon of baking powder. Then we mix our ingredients properly. So we leave our mixture for like 5 minutes before we start baking it in a pan. So this is the outcome results of the mixture. We have mixed them, so we are going to leave it for 5 minutes before we start baking it in a sufuria. So this is what the end results. So let's leave it for 5 minutes. Put a small amount of the mixture to the pan, and then after some time it will start forming some bubbles. Then you are going to turn over Then this is how it looks. This is the way it is supposed to burn. So you are going to do this to every chunk of the cooking flour until it is. This is the way it's supposed to look like. Yes, this one now is ready. Guys, this is the end results. This is the final product. I made small ones, small cycles, and this is how it turned out. I have a couple of them. Wow, they are so yummy, guys. So this is my pancakes. So if we had the syrup, maple syrup, or the zester, we could have put here to decorate it, but this is the final product, guys.